could edit that out. Today I wanted to go over kind of a theme that I've been working on, and it's about keeping business local in the Stewart, Hope Sound area. I have Hunter Smith with me here from Paul Davis. Hunter focuses on mold remediation, and he's a local guy.
How are you, Joe? Thank you for having me today.
All right. So tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, I've been in the industry about 12 years, spent the last 5 in the Paul Davis network. We are not only mold remediation service, but we also do emergency water mitigation. You know, you have that broken pipe at 2 a.m. We're the people to call, like you said, local, so we're there within 2 hours.
Okay.
As well as the reconstruction.
Does that happen often?
Every day.
Tell me about mold. What are some of the common issues that folks are having around here with mold?
I'll tell you what the most common issue with mold, especially in our area, is lack of education. Help the customer understand the risks as well as the processes on getting it remediated.
So when you go through and you do an inspection, do you ever come across mold that maybe is not so hazardous?
So that's a very interesting question, and I get asked that a lot. So mold is essentially individual on an individual spectrum. So whereas I may not feel an allergic reaction to mold, someone else might. There's been 0 reported deaths, but thousands of reported cases of allergens. So there's millions of different species of mold, and each one may affect someone else different than the other.
When would they typically call you? What would be like a trigger that, oh, I might have a mold problem?
So they may detect a smell at first, an earthy smell, and the story I hear almost every time is they were doing their spring cleaning, they're taking some things out of the closet, and they found a big dark spot on their wall that they just didn't expect to see, and it has that earthy odor like I mentioned. So that's going to be your first signs, but it's going to be near a plumbing source.
Oh, okay. I was just about to ask. Yeah, what would be some of the hot spots? So wherever there's moisture, basically.
Yeah. In most cases, it's going to be near a plumbing source. Florida, a lot of roof leaks.
I understand that you're kind of a one-stop shop.
Yes. So the benefit to hiring us is we are a one point of contact, one company endeavor. So you hire us to do the mold, we also bill it back afterwards. Saves you from having to call multiple people to get the job done. They have one point of contact. That one person assembles every trade needed to get the job done.
Who would that person be?
So that would be someone like myself, or it would be one of my project managers.
Okay.
And it comes with a private cell phone number. They can text, call, email anytime they need.
What's something that you would say sets you apart?
Yeah. So one differentiator is definitely the fact that we're full service. Another one is going to be our communication, and that is certainly showed in our Net Promoter Score, which is essentially a site that surveys customers that we've worked with, and in our industry we have the highest score in Florida.
Hunter is on our vendor directory for the neighborhood that I live in Mariner Village. He is one of the preferred vendors and has come recommended by multiple sources.
My cell phone number, I'll just give it out to anyone on Joe's channel, is 717-881-0245. That's my number, so text, call, email, any way I can help.
Thanks, Hunter.
Thank you, Joe.
Appreciate your time.
Appreciate you having me.
All right.